Okay, this is where I find my dog every morning. Ah, look at the little tail. Poekie woekie. Ben mama's poepie. Moet je nog slapen? Yeah, he's a little sleepy. Hi, poepie. Ben je nog een beetje moe? Okay, this is my bedroom. This is the wallpaper. Little lamps, my bed. And as you can see, there's still plastic in front of the windows because my blinds are coming November the 7th. But the TV is installed. That's the most important thing, right? Okay, so here we have, I have these tiles through the whole house. So that's cool. And here's the plastic is in front of the windows because the whole house is waiting for the blinds. That's my bathroom cabinets in the brown box. In the white one, that's, oh, how do you call it? It's a radiator for in the bathroom. I do a little bit of ironing here. Then we have a nice little story about that little drawer cabinet thing. I ordered 4. I put that one together and I sent back 3 because it was, look at can you see how crooked those drawers are in that cabinet? So I'll just chuck that one up in the attic, and the other 3 I sent back. And then I ordered other ones. This is another bedroom. Then I ordered these and I put them together. They were real fun to put together. So I have 4 of those on that side. That's wallpaper. That's kind of nice. And of course a TV and windows and a little walk-in closet. I'm not sure if you can see how that looks. Oh yeah, there you go. It's a really tiny walk-in closet, which I like. Then here I have to find some sort of a cabinet with drawers. Then I put a little fishy here on the back, which I kind of like. See a little fishy hanging there? That's cute. Okay. So this is upstairs where all the stairs are. That's a window. Then I have my bathroom. So that is my bathtub. That's the toilet. This is my washing thingy. There I am. And this is the shower, which is cute. It's not ready yet because I have this really big shower, sort of a glass thing. They still have to come and do that. And here the cabinet's gonna be, and then there where the bathrobe is hanging, that's where the heater is gonna come. So this is still not ready. Then I have some lights for on the mirror. So that was that. Then I'm gonna take you upstairs. This is where my studio's gonna be. So we go up. The stairs have to wait. You have to wait 1 year before you can paint them. Okay. So there's a window in the attic. As you can see here. I'll show you outside in a bit. So this is it. This is one big mess. See all the boxes? It is really high, which I like. And this is where I do my hair and my makeup with a mirror. there is some makeup stuff. So this is really a nice room. That's where you go downstairs again. See that? So here you have this little diamond-shaped window, and there's a lot of space here. Then you have that bit. Then it goes up really high. I'm gonna make some sort of a thing where we can put the suitcases and stuff. But can you see all these boxes? There are a lot of them. See that? That's all my studio stuff. All this stuff is all my studio stuff. So I'm going to be in more boxes, and then here more boxes, and there more boxes, and all sorts of stuff, and my guitar, which I can't play. And here are boxes, everywhere boxes, but I have to first get everything downstairs, everything done before I can do this, because I have to help my hubby. My hubby is really, you know, he can't do too much. His back is out, and so we have to first do downstairs. Okay, I'm gonna take you to the living room and the kitchen. So this was the attic. Then on the first floor you have 3 bedrooms and the bathroom. So we're going down again. So we can't paint these for another year. I did get my little side table. Then this is the toilet. Oops. Yeah, that's gold. And then I have this oak, sort of a oak thing going on here. Then you have a little washing thing. And as you can see, everything, the whole floor in the whole house is the same. That's a good thing. Then that's the floor heating. You have to build something around it, but we're gonna do that later. So this is my garden furniture. We do have one good chair. That's Dickie's chair. That's my garden furniture. That's my little computer setup, because my computer is going to come over there in the right corner, but that's going to take another 4 weeks, I guess. Then this, I did get this nice, really big drawer that's like 2 meters 20, and then the big TV on top. And then what I always wanted, my wallpaper, the Italian landscape. So everything in front of this is going to go, because that's all furniture for in the garden. That's the bench for the dog. He's never in there anymore, so we can do that. We can put that away. And then in front of this wall, there'll be 2 glass cabinets where you can put stuff in, and that's it. Nothing in front of it. So you'll see the whole thing. Okay, now the kitchen. I can hear the dog coming down. This is the kitchen. So we have an island. Boogie! And then we have where you can make the coffee, but we're going to change this. That thing is going to be gone, and the water kettle thing is going to be gone. So then you look outside, then the big island again. This is where we eat. TV, can't be without a TV. So, like I said, everything, all the floors are the same. And then this is my little storage. Ooh, that's too much light. Okay. So that's where my washing machine, the dryer, the freezer, and these, what you see here, like big bookcases, they're going to go upstairs in my studio because that's where I'm going to put all my paint and stuff on. And then here will be some sort of a cabinet where we do the coffee thing. Yeah. Then we have the garage. Oh, and you can see my bike. Wait. Well, my bike. That's my bike. So there it is. That thing is so fast. You don't have to pedal, you know. You can just use the little handle, acceleration handle, and then you don't have to pedal at all. So that's a really cool thing. So this is it. As you can see here, everything, it's all paint and silicone and I don't know what else. It's a big mess. What I did buy, because I have so many tiles, I did buy a floor cleaner from Carshare. Don't know if you know them. This one. This one is really cool. It really helps. You clean the whole floor in like 10 minutes. That's really cool. Okay, let me turn off some lights. That's a lot of stuff here. We have to get that fixed. And there you can look outside. And Friday we're gonna get the wood for the wood thing, you know, what you stick in the water so that the sand doesn't all go in the water. And it's lovely weather, as you can see. Okay guys, gotta go.